Slide views. You can use PowerPoint's views to set how the slides and their contents appear on the screen. By default, PowerPoint displays your slides in normal view. To change the view of a presentation, click on the View tab and then click on any of the options available in the Presentation Views group. These options are Normal, Outline View, Slide Sorter, Notes Page and Reading View. We can also use Slideshow View from Slideshow tab. Normal View. It shows the current slide, the outline and the notes pane. Slide Area. The slide area displays a large view of the current slide. This is where the slides are created and edited. Slides Pane. This pane displays the slides as thumbnails. Notes Pane. This is the area where a speaker can write notes for himself. These notes do not appear when the presentation runs. Slides Pane, Slide Area, Notes Pane. Slide Sorter View. This view shows all the slides of a presentation in a miniature version and allows to change their order. The advantage of this view is that you can see more of your slides on the screen and you can move, delete and recognize these slides more easily. To view a presentation in this mode, click on the Slide Sorter command under the View tab. PowerPoint displays all the slides in the presentation. Notes Page View. The Notes Page view shows you what your notes pages look like in printed form. In this view, the slide of your presentation and the speaker notes that you have added within the notes pane for each individual slide appear together. To view a presentation in the Notes Page view, click the Notes Page command from the Presentation Views group of the View tab. Reading View. Reading View is used when you want to view a presentation not in full screen but in a window with simple controls that make the presentation easy to review. The ribbon and the slides or outline pane are not visible. To view a presentation in Reading View, click on the Reading View command under the View tab. PowerPoint shows the presentation in full screen only with the title bar and the status bar and some simple controls. Slideshow View. Slideshow View allows to view the presentation in full screen mode. Slides can be run one after the other to form a slideshow. By using this view, you can see how your presentation will look when you display it to others. However, you cannot modify the presentation in this view. To view the presentation in Slideshow View, click on the Slideshow tab from the ribbon and then click on the From Beginning option to start the slideshow from the first slide or from Current Slide option to start the slideshow from the current slide.